I usually end up having to do something and I didn't have to do anything. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. I know y'all came here for a wig review, but this is my hair. And you can't tell me different. This is giving silk press, all natural material, girl. Like, this is it. So if you want to see how I got this look, and I think you should see it, because it's a good look, keep on watching. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You might as well. You're already here. Let's just go ahead and do that. Alright, so let's just get straight into it because I already did my bald cap. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me. This is my summer foundation. I've already been where it's warm this year already, so I got my tan happening now, so I'm using my summer foundation. It is Maybelline Fit Me, like I said, 356 warm coconut. Those numbers might be off. It might be 355, but I do know it is warm coconut for sure. So, you know, I've already did the bald cap, but I am going and doing the rest of the foundation routine here. And I am using some rubbing alcohol to clear some of the foundation off of my skin to make sure, you know, my wig can lay and everything. And then I am cutting off excess of my bald cap because I don't need all the bald cap. I don't have a whole lot of forehead to be pulling my wig too far up, so I get rid of as much cap as possible. So here is the wig here. I did bleach and pluck the knots myself. It is an 18-inch body wave unit, pretty standard, you know. And I was impressed with this already because I could tell it was gonna fit my ear, if not all the way, pretty close, and that's doing great for me. So I went ahead and cut around my ear, the ear tabs. I cut those off. And I could still, like, it was making me see even more like this is going to be a good fit for me. And then I went ahead and installed this using the red ebon lace tint, you know, just the usual. I like using spray because it is a lot quicker. And the ebon dries so fast, so it makes installing your wig so easy. Definitely great for beginners. And then I just smoothed that in, and I also used my blow dryer to dry it down and everything. After I dried it down, you know, I went and cut off the lace. I cut jagged so it doesn't give me like a harsh wig line. And y'all see this lace? I was so impressed with this lace. It did already come like in a perfect match for my skin tone. I did not tint this lace at all. It just came out looking that way. Look, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Now, part of that was because of me, because I bleached those knots really good, but I cannot deny this lace looks amazing. So I just kind of laid the edges back down that I cut. You know, I took a little singing break too. Got my elastic band on to lay the wig, you know, get that nice melt action while I style the wig. And I just did a nice little side part here. This is a 13x4 frontal, so I couldn't do a whole lot with a deep side part or anything. It's not a whole lot of space up there. And then I just, you know, use a wax stick. I like using the wax stick. That is a big part of getting a nice flat install is the wax stick, and using the hot comb. This hair laid very easy, so I was impressed by that. And I did, you already know me, I added some layers. Not a whole lot of layers though to this unit, just right in the front and very lightly. I just wanted a little bit. Did not go overboard on this one, even though I feel like, you know, layers never hurt. Layers are awesome. And so I did curl this unit, and I loved how this glided through the flat iron. Like, that was impressive to me. This is great if you like curled hair. It was so easy and so smooth. Like, I'm telling you, it gives silk press vibes. Like, it doesn't even look like too silky, even though it is a silkier texture. So it was giving me a little bit of trouble with keeping my little clip up there. But I got it together. Obviously, it's staying up. But I just noticed how silky and amazing this hair texture was. And like I said, it's not overdone. You don't like it when it's too overdone because it looks off. But this was like just the right amount to where it looks like it has a nice sheen to some real hair. So I was super impressed with that. And then my final step on the install portion was to just tint up the lace with just a little bit of excess foundation, and I was good to go. It's the wig for me. Beauty Forever definitely understood the assignment. You know what I really like is this length. It's super classy. Like, it's not an overdone length, but it's still youthful. Like, it's not too old, because I know, I'm not saying that short looks are old, but I do know, I like them personally, but I do know some people feel like it does look like a little too mature. It's got a mature feel, but not too mature. Y'all know I'm typically a kinky straight kind of girl. Like, if you see me on Instagram or TikTok and I'm just doing my thing, I usually have like kinky straight hair in, but this, I actually have not worn a whole wig in a minute, like full out lace. I've been rocking the V parts and reviewing the V parts lately, but I'm back with some lace for y'all too, and some good lace at that, cause it don't even look like it's there. Now granted, I'm good at customizing, so, but outside of that, I could tell when I pulled this out, this lace was gonna be pretty good. Big round of applause for the fact that this fits. I didn't have to hide nothing, disguise nothing, maneuver nothing. It just fits. That never happens to me. I usually end up having to do something and I didn't have to do anything. And it's still stretchy. I'm like shook still because I really thought like, okay, I'm putting it on now, but I'm gonna find some way that it's not gonna fit. Ear to ear. Ear to ear. And I wasn't planning on it giving no baby hair hairline, but I did that. Look who's tucking a wig behind their ear with no issue. I can't get over it. Like this is a high quality looking wig at an affordable price. I'm not even sure if it's HD, but it's giving HD. You know what? Matter of fact, let me double check. Yeah, y'all, that's not even HD laid. It's just laid. And that's what I like to see, because that means this unit's gonna run you about, this wig is 136 bucks before shipping. But what? This is a steal. Like, this is definitely worth the money. That I was expecting this to cost more than what it does, but for the exact specs that I have, 18-inch 13x4 lace frontal, 180% density, $136. This is definitely what we call affordable, especially for human hair. By the way, always check my description box for a coupon code, because usually human hair companies give me a coupon code somewhere in there. All the details will be down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.